Hello everyone, this is Moshe the Electric Israeli. Thank you for joining my channel. If you are new, please subscribe and help me change the world one electric car at a time. Thank you to all of my patrons and those who order their Tesla using my referral code. I appreciate all of my supporters and patrons. Please consider supporting this channel. Today we're going to talk about a topic. I made several videos about it, and that is autopilot related accidents. There was one in Florida last year, California, and all that. So the National Transportation Safety Board, NTSB, released its finding of the 2018 California Tesla Model S California accident, which killed the driver, unfortunately. And the accident was basically the driver was on a highway and he slammed into a parked, I'm not sure what I guess it was on the side, I'm not sure exactly what happened. He hit a parked fire truck on the side, and the result is a driver error. I think he was eating and not paying attention to the road as well. And I don't know if they said Tesla autopilot failure, something like that. So it's blame on both sides. I have to tell you guys, if you are new in this channel, go to my playlist. There's autopilot videos. I made so many autopilot videos. I'm going to tell you something bluntly. I'm a 56-year-old man. I've been driving cars for more than 30 some years. Drove them all. I love cars since I was a kid. And I want to tell you that the Tesla cars, all of them, are the safest cars, and they get better. Having said that, the autopilot is exponentially making your driving safer, better, relaxing and all that, but safer if, and only if, you follow the instruction. Tesla put it out in every single, in anywhere, shape or form that you want, in any video, in any promotion, that you have to keep your hands on the wheel and you have to keep your eyes on the road. It's not 100%. It is so incredibly great, the autopilot, but you have to be in charge. You have to be in charge and you have to react. You cannot let it go and start doing your taxes, okay, or eating or something like that. Same the accident in Florida was when he didn't have his hands on the wheel for about 10 seconds or so, and he went under a truck that was crossing. These are unfortunate. I mean, I don't want to compare, and I don't think it's fair, and I don't want to compare accidents per, let's call it accidents per million miles driven of Tesla cars versus gasoline cars. I can tell you it's exponentially safer, and the statistics 100% show that Tesla cars are much less likely to get into an accident when they're engaged in autopilot used properly. But it's such a sexy topic, just like Tesla car fires. It's such a sexy topic to pick on Tesla for it. It's just unbelievable. I understand it's a new technology, people, I get it, and we're not stupid here, but I think that and forget what happened. A dead person is not coming back, and the family is going to have to deal with it forever, and it's horrific. Having said that, I'm going to tell you, the drivers who drive now, whether you drive a Tesla autopilot or many other cars have lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, you gotta be in charge, man. Can't go to sleep. Can't go to sleep. You gotta be in charge. Okay? You drive this Tesla in a heavy fog, your autopilot is not functioning well, or heavy rain, or even glare, sun glare. 7 a.m. in the morning, like in the fall, like right now in fall season. You gotta be in charge. Okay, you got to be in charge. You cannot just rely on it and then blame. What's the point of blaming the car if, God forbid, you're dead? You ain't coming back if you're dead. All right, so that's that. I wanted to keep you up to date to that, and it's really about what you should do, not what happened. What you should do, and to blame it on autopilot is a cop out. Okay, I understand that. I understand. All right, thank you guys for watching. See you tomorrow.